Yeah, like just putting pints in a pub.
Spilling a tray of hot drinks in a hotel.
Clearing glasses in a pub. Minimalist.
Minimalist.
Satan's whiskers.
Satan's.
You don't want to say it, do you?
No. Taya in Elementary.
Highball.
Bobby Burns.
Old fashions. Bitter.
Sweet.
A corpse survivor. Number 2.
My name's Jack at Burton.
New.
Classics.
Both.
Whiskey.
Aquavit.
Rum. Ooh. Dram. Goldeneye in Jamaica.
Tana. New York.
I have no idea.
Oh.
Yeah. They're all amazing.
Every bar.
Every bar.
Every bar is
going. Analog Singapore.
Colin Dunn. The way he talks about stuff.
Dick Bradshaw.
Just sort of people leaving, shaking your hand, saying, I had a great time. That, I love that.
Like chatting to people from all over the place, all over the world.
Bars. I love being in bars. I love working in bars. I love the people that go to bars. I love the people that work in bars.
Freddie Mercury would have been pretty cool. That's yeah, no, that's why I said it.
Fine, I'm gonna go Bowie because I think it'd be a sick night out. Bowie and Freddie in the bar.
Yeah,
that's pretty good. Go on, Chris. Who's the trio?
I mean, I would just like to have met Lou Reed, really, so just making a drink.
That's
for
actually
them.
pretty good for you from Saturday.
I think he'd fit.
Yeah. Nice and sardonic.
Just Freddie, Bowie, and
Lou Reed
in the bar. Great night.
Dram.
Line, Athens.